Hello, today we are going to go over how to customize the home screen of your ASUB mobile app. This includes custom scheduling and custom due dates. Let's get started. Once your ASUB mobile app loads, this screen may appear. We're going to focus on the very first logo on the bottom left, the house logo. We're going to tap on it. This should take us to our app's home screen. Once this page in the app pops up, you can see we have everything from the previous screen at the top, plus two bubbles that say financial aid and test orientation. For this video, we're going to focus on favorites, today's schedule, and due dates. To begin, under favorites, we're going to tap where it says get started. Once this loads, I can select what sections of the app I want to load to my favorites. I'm going to select weather, student email, groups and clubs, and then social media. After I've added all the sections I want to, I'm going to hit close, and then you can see they appear at the favorites section at the top. Next, we are going to add a custom schedule. Under where it says today's schedule, we're going to tap where it says add. Once this loads, you can see we have something similar to an event or a calendar planner. It asks for the event, the day, the start and end time, and when to remind us. For this example, I'm going to create a meeting. In the event title, I'm going to type in meeting. And then I'm going to go down to location. Let it access my location. For the building, I'm going to type in State Hall. And then for the room number, I'm going to type in 201. When I'm done, I'm going to hit the check mark at the top right. So now, as you can see, I've set up a meeting today from 3 to 4 p.m. in State Hall 201. Now that I'm done scheduling this event, I can hit the check mark at the top right to save it. Now that we've added favorites and a schedule, we're going to add a custom due date. We're going to hit add under due dates. We're going to add a title, which I'm going to call test for this example. I'm going to set the date and time. I'm going to set it for Friday at 5 p.m. Once this is done, we're going to select a course to associate it with. I'm going to select college algebra. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit the check mark at the top right. Once we return to the home screen, you can see that our favorites, our custom schedule, and our custom due date appear. That was how to customize your ASUB mobile home screen. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.